I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a strong base. In this video, I will explain how to make perfect nachos. Select thick, restaurant-style tortilla chips that can hold up to all the toppings. Freshly shredded cheese, like a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack, melts much better than pre-shredded varieties. Evenly distribute your chips and cheese for consistent coverage. Next, let's talk about your savory toppings. Brown your ground beef or chicken with your favorite taco seasoning for a flavorful punch. If using beans, rinse and drain them thoroughly before adding. Remember to spread these ingredients generously over your initial chip and cheese layer, ensuring every chip gets some love. Now for the fresh and creamy elements that elevate your nachos. After baking, top with fresh pico de gallo or a vibrant salsa. A dollop of cool sour cream or creamy guacamole provides a wonderful contrast to the warm ingredients. Thinly sliced fresh jalapenos add a nice kick without overwhelming the other flavors. Finally, it's time to bake and serve your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes. Serve your nachos immediately to enjoy them at their best. Consider offering extra salsa or sour cream on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.